Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Discord on desktop or web because the audit log is only visible there in full detail. Once signed in, find and click the server icon you manage. This is essential. Make sure you have managed server or administrator permissions. Without them, you won't see logs. After opening the server, click the server name to open the drop-down menu and choose Server Settings. Once done, you're positioned at the right place to access moderation and audit tools. Inside Server Settings, select Audit Log from the left column so you can view recorded actions. This is where Discord tracks moderation events. Once there, use the filter controls to narrow entries by action type, specific user, or approximate date range, which makes finding a change fast. Click any individual entry to expand it and see exactly who performed the action, what was changed, when it happened, and the provided reason. Make sure to review context lines to verify related events. To finish, copy or screenshot the entries you need, because Discord doesn't provide a native export button for most servers. If you require bulk export or automation, consider granting a trusted bot audit log reading permissions or use the Discord API with appropriate scopes to pull records programmatically. If you can't see expected entries, first recheck your permissions and the server's audit log retention policy. Then make sure no moderation bot deleted entries. If problems persist, contact another administrator to confirm settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.